This layout was so easy to do, especially with the help of the auto layout function. It's how I made all these leaves from a tiny scrap of paper. So let me show you exactly how that works. So over here in the machine, I'm choosing from one of the over 600 built-in designs, and I'm going to choose this sort of fancy one to play with. And I can play around with the size of it, making it bigger or smaller, whatever I want it to be. Then I can also choose the number of them that I want, and I want to have 10 of them. So I'm going to up that number to 10. And before I do that though, in the settings, what you can do is you can tell the machine exactly how big your piece of paper is just by dragging in these things. So if you're using a little scrap, you can show that, and if you're using a big 12 by 12, you can show it that. And then I'm going to hit set, and it's going to tell me there's not enough space on the mat. The most I can do is 9. But you know what? Auto Layout's going to help me with that, and I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm willing to do just 9. Let's set that. So here they are all laid out. But if I go into the Auto Layout function, and there you go, it's going to process now for me, and it's going to place them so that it uses the maximum amount or the minimum amount of space, so I have the maximum area free. So this is awesome. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to choose Add, and now I'm going to choose that pattern again. It remembered the size that I set them to. I'm going to choose to add one more, and boom, there's my 10th one. Easy enough. And now I'm ready to cut. Auto Layout makes it super easy to maximize your paper space.